How to get free organic compost for your garden. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to get free organic compost. You might be in a town where you're able to get free organic compost, but you might not know. So I'm going to show you how you can get free organic compost in the area you live in by simple searching, and you're going to be able to find it. So let me show you what I'm talking about here, right here. Right here is a community compost area. This is compost that is available for all residents of the town. This is available for anybody that lives in this town, and you can come here and get as much compost as you want. It's organic compost, and you can use it to for your garden bed. You can use it to start a new garden. You can use it for raised beds. You can use it for container gardening, and you can use it for flower beds and other stuff. So this is free organic compost that you can get from your town if your town does recycling. So the compost is from all the trash that is collected. The trash is composted, and then the compost is brought over here so that town residents can come over here and get compost to use. So this is free compost. Usually the town brings it in around spring and summer. They have free compost here that you can come and get. Call your town council or your town office and find out if they have an area in the town where you can get free compost if they bring the recycle or composted trash to an area where you can get it. If they have it, they will tell you where they have it. If they don't have it or they don't know anything about it, just talk to other people on social media. Find out if they know of any compost area or any town around you that does this provide free compost to residents. Then you might be able to get free compost like this from the town, which is gonna save you a lot of money instead of buying compost from the store or buying compost from garden centers. You can get organic compost like this, and you're gonna be able to use it in the garden or in containers to plant and to grow vegetables. I also use compost like this to accelerate my compost pile. Since I have grass clippings and leaves and other stuff that I'm composting, I usually mix a little bit of ready-made compost like this and mix it up. It's gonna help it decompose a lot faster, and it's gonna help me get more compost for free. So these are the compost that I've collected from the compost area. So I have about, I would say about 8 containers that I've done so far. If I was just buying these compost from the store, it would cost not less than $15, and this I got for free, and I'm able to get more for free if I need it. And this will help me at least fill up my raised beds, and also fertilize the garden, add it in the bottom of roots of vegetables and other crops that I'm growing, and also use it in container gardening. So if you have container gardening, you have a lot of stuff that you need compost like this, so you just check it out and see if you can find areas that you can definitely get for free. Okay, I think that is it for today. Hopefully this is valuable information for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.